Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today, I will be teaching you chapter number 25, that is Science and its branches. There are various branches of science and each one is concerned with a particular type of its study. Today, we will know some branches of science. Okay. First one is anatomy. Second, astronomy. Third one, astronauts. Fourth one, botany. Fifth one, cosmology. Sixth one, ecology. Seventh one, geology. Eighth one, meteorology. Ninth one, physics. And 10th one, geology. Okay. So all of you open page number 29. Students, as I told you that in this chapter we will know about the names of the different branches of science and what is studied in that branch. Okay. So first one is here anatomy. Anatomy you have to match with option G. Anatomy is a branch of science in which we study the structure of organisms and their parts. Anatomy is a branch of natural science which deals with the structural organization of living things. Okay. Second one is astronomy. Okay. Astronomy is the branch of science in which we study of the celestial bodies and the universe as a whole. Celestial means heavenly. So here on F you have to put 2 number. Astronomy is the branch of science that studies the universe, the stars and the planets. Okay. See, astronautics, here on D number you have to put 3 number. Astronautics is the study and the practice of navigation through space. In this branch of science, we study the science or the technology involved in travel beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Okay. See fourth one, botany. B number. On B number you have to put 4. Study of plant life. In botany, we study about plants. It includes the study of their structure, how they grow, how they can be effectively classified, the things that impact their development, etc. Means about the plant we study. Okay. Fifth one, cosmology. Here on C number you have to put 5. Cosmology is the study of origin and nature of the universe. Cosmology is a branch of astronomy that involves the origin and evolution of the universe from the Big Bang to today and on into the future. Okay. C. Sixth one, ecology. On E you have to put 6 number. Ecology is the study of the relation between organisms and their environment. That what is the relation between an organism and with its environment. Ecology is the study of the relationships between living organisms, including humans and their physical environment. Okay? Seventh one, geology. Here on J number, you have to put 7. Geology is the study of the Earth's history as recorded in rocks. It means the study of Earth or earth science. This discipline of science also deals with various physical components of Earth and processes such as landslides, floods, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, etc. Mean all the things about Earth we study in the branch of science that is called geology. See, 8th one, meteorology. Okay, it is the study of the interdisciplinary science of the atmosphere. On I number you have to put 8. In simple language we can say that meteorologists use science and math to understand and predict weather and climate. In this branch of science, we study or know about weather and climate. Okay. See, 9th one, physics. On H number, you have to put 9 number. Physics is the study of the properties of matter and energy. The goal of physics, goal means aim, is to understand how things work. From first principles, courses in physics reveal the mathematical beauty of the universe. Okay, means in this branch we study that what happens, why happens, okay, through a correct method. Every method is correct, but this believes on experiment. Okay. 10th one is geology. On A number you have to put 10. In this branch of science we study about animal life. Okay. In this branch of science we study about the animals which are living as well as about those animals which are extinct now. Extinct means which animals we cannot found now. Okay. So students, today we have learned about the names of the different branches of science. Okay. Match it carefully and revise the lesson. Thank you. God bless you all.